What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another tech review. And this time we're going to be looking at the all-new Monster Clarity 101. These are the Airlinks Bluetooth wireless in-ear headphones. Let's get them open and let's check these out. So basically earbuds, in-ear headphones by the company Monster. Let's take a look at some of these specs first off though. You get the pure Monster sound, comfortable, secure fit, sport clip, will not fall out of your ears. That's what they're telling me. Clear call quality, metal charging case. It's durable and splash proof, voice control, true wireless Bluetooth 5.0 is on deck. That's a big plus. You get a more reliable connection with that 5.0, and you get 25 hours with the charged case. On the inside, you're going to get 3 sets of ear tips, a sport clip, and a USB cable right there. So without further ado, let's get this open. Nothing else in the box. This is it. Okay. There we go. So it looks like a little stick of deodorant that you may unscrew the top and roll on. But there we go. So we got micro USB charging right up top. And you got your Monster logo on the bottom. And you got the Monster logo right there. And turn that around. And there are the headphones right there, left and right. So I'm going to sit those right there for now. And let's see what else we got in the box. More Monster branding. Let's see. Pretty sure these are the ear tips. Tear that open. Yep, more ear tips. There we go. So your 3 sets of ear tips include the ear tips that come on here. What else we got down in here? All right. We got a micro USB charging cable and your standard instructions. Okay, cool. Nothing else in the box. Put all that to the side for right now. First off, let's check out the charging. So I got a battery pack right here. I'm just gonna plug all this in and see what it looks like when we charge. Plugged it in. Okay. You got LEDs right there. 4 LEDs gonna tell you when this case is actually charged up, and it's blinking, so it's telling me that it is charging these headphones at this very moment. So charging is on deck. Now, let's see. I got a pair of these right there. You get the blue lights that come on when you need to pair these up. I'm going to actually, oh, you sit them down in there, they glow blue too. Nice. So I'm gonna actually get these paired to my iPad that's back there in the background, and I'm gonna try to see if we can get some sound quality. I'm gonna tell you how they fit and how they feel in my ear. So stick around, I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back. The pairing process is pretty easy. You basically just take one out and you're gonna tap on it and it shows up in the Bluetooth connectivity section right there. I'm going to put one of these in my ear, and I'm going to hold the other one right out in front of me. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to get some music going. So if you can see on the screen, I got it in my ear, right? I got the left one in my ear right now. You can't see it, it's off screen. I got the right one in my hand. If I tap on this, the music should start back up. Make sure my finger is, there we go. Tap on it, music started back up. And then I'm going to tap on it again, and the music should stop. There we go. So tap features are go on here. So aside from controlling your music going forward, backward, and all that good stuff, by quickly double tapping on the right ear, you're gonna increase your volume. And I'm not really good at doing it, but it will do it. You see the volume button is going up. And it's a sequence of quick taps that's gonna get it to go up. You gotta just kind of be hitting it in the right spot. You see it's just going up now. I got that right spot. And then on the left ear, it's the same thing. I'm tapping the left ear, or I can take it out. I'm tapping the left ear, and now the sound is going down. You just gotta find that sweet spot. There we go. Got it. So it's all about finding that sweet spot and being able to tap it fast enough to make the volume go up and down. But we know that if you tap once on either ear, it's going to turn that off. If you double tap, it's going to activate your Siri. And you can actually take phone calls with these as well. So they're pretty good all around Bluetooth speakers. You got your little wingtips to keep them in your ear. You got your earpieces that you can interchange. And you have that flashing LED light that lets you know that you are connected. When you need to finish and charge them up, pop them back in. They're going to start charging. LED lights show up, and you just close them up and put them in your bag, in your pocket, wherever you want them to be. They kind of click and they latch, and they look like another stick of deodorant at that point. But come on, it looks like deodorant. You gotta say it looks like deodorant. That's the first thing I thought when I saw it, was deodorant. But it's a nice little device. It's cool. I like it. I like the form factor of it. I like the fact that you turn it around to reveal those headphones, and then you turn them back around, they disappear. They're well protected in this metal case. You got charging on the outside. They charge as they sit in here. It's a pretty neat little setup from the company Monster. So I'm going to drop that link below so you can check these out for yourself. Clarity 101 Airlinks by the company Monster. Hope this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.